Let's talk long range. Let's talk 1,000, 15, 2,000 yards. We're here to show you our new rifle from H&H Precision and our new chassis system. Features. We have our integrated Arca-Swiss rail system, all one piece into our modular chassis. Pins that pull out for easy, quick, toolless removal for the forearms. 60-degree bolt throw. We got our new integrated Barricade stop, which we have the cutout as well for our detachable box magazine, so it makes it easy to get up in there and grab the magazine when you need to do such a event. We also have our new folding stock, folds all the way over. What's different about this one this year is it locks. So this locking is a new feature for our H&H rifle. We push that down, pull it out, unfolds, nice and solid. I'd actually like to show you our new hunting model. This is our carbon fiber light model, carbon fiber stock, carbon fiber barrel, and one-piece machined bolt with our one-piece integral rail and recoil lug receiver. Whether you're shooting targets at 2,000 yards or shooting a big bull elk at 800 yards, H&H Precision has something for every shooter.